Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is peacock border design. Draw the peacock outline like this. I am using black color sketch pen for outline. If you want you can use any other colors. If you want you can use color pen, marker pen, brush pen, whatever you want. Draw the outline like this. Draw the eye shape. Draw the feather like this. Same repeat here. Here I am drawing round shape. Same design repeat here also. Now I am using blue color brush pen. Fill this space with blue color brush pen. Fill like this. Now I am using green color brush pen. Fill this middle space with green color brush pen. Same color repeat here. If you want you can use color pen, sketch pen, brush pen, marker pen, whatever you want. Now I am using blue color brush pen. Draw the outline with blue color brush pen. Now I am using green color brush pen. Here I am using yellow color brush pen. Fill this middle space with yellow color brush pen. Same color repeat here. Now I am using red color brush pen. Fill this middle space with red color brush pen. Here I am using yellow color brush pen. Now I am using light blue color sketch pen. Marker pen. Draw the design like this. Here I am using light blue color pencil. Fill this middle space with light blue color pencil. If you want you can use crayon or oil pastel. Fill like this. Draw the 3 lines like this. Same repeat here. Draw the round shape like this. Fill this middle space with red color brush pen. Now I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is peacock border design. Draw the flower like this. Flower outline was completed. Here I am drawing peacock outline. Draw the line like this. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or color pens? Comment on comment section. Now I am using red color brush pen. I am shading with red color brush pen. Here I am using red color pencil. Fill this middle space with red color pencil. Here I am using yellow color brush pen. Now I am using blue color brush pen. Fill this middle space with blue color brush pen. Fill like this. Here I am using yellow color brush pen. Draw the design like this. If you want any type of border designs or cover page designs or any type of cards, comment on comment section. Fill this space with green color brush pen. I am using blue color brush pen. Then I am using yellow color brush pen. Draw the line like this. Follow me on Instagram, link given in the description box. Draw the line like this. Here I am using light blue color brush pen. If you want you can use any other colors like this. Now I am using light blue color pencil. Fill this middle space with light blue color pencil. Draw the 3 lines like this.
Thank you so much for watching. Support me as liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing.